Question 4 of this exercise says the performance of a student in first term and second term is given. Draw a double bar graph choosing appropriate scale and answer the following. In which subject has the child improved his performance the most? In which subject is the improvement the least? Has the performance gone down in any subject? So first of all, we will draw a double bar graph by choosing a scale 1 unit equals to 10 marks. So let's start drawing bar graph. Let's start with English. So as we can see that in the first term, the student has got 67 marks, and in the second term, the student has got 70 marks. So we will draw a double bar graph. So this is how we will draw the bar graph of English. So the one in the blue is the marks obtained by the student in the first term in English, and the one in yellow is the marks obtained by the student in the second term in English. So similarly, we will draw for Hindi, Math, Science and Social Science. And we have taken the scale as 1 unit equals to 10 marks. So this is how we will draw the double bar graph for Hindi, Maths, Science and Social Science. And the one in the blue is for the first term and the one in the yellow is for the second term. Now let's move on to the first part of the question. In which subject has the child improved his performance the most? So first of all, we will look in which subject the marks is increasing from first term to second term. As we can see that in English, the marks is increasing. So in the first term it was 67 and in the second term it is 70. So he has definitely improved in this and he has improved by 3 marks. Now if we see into Hindi, his first term marks was 72 and second term marks is 65. So his marks is decreased in Hindi. So let's move on to maths. As we can see that there is an improvement in maths. Earlier he scored 88, now he has 95. So he has improved by 7 marks in maths. So let's move on to science. So as we can see that in science there is an improvement of 4 marks. It will be 85 minus 81 which is 4 marks. And let's move on to the last part, that is social science. So if we can see, earlier he scored 73 and now he has 75. So there is an improvement of 2 marks. Now as we can see that the child has improved the most in maths. Now the second part says in which subject is the improvement the least. So as we can see that in social science the improvement is the least. It is only 2 marks. Now the third part says, has the performance gone down in any subject? Yes, we can see that the performance has gone down in Hindi. Earlier he scored 72, now he has 65, so his performance has decreased in Hindi.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.